Hello everyone! Want many cool free items? Then watch this video till the end. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more amazing content.
Okay.
Shout out for these guys. Anyways, let's dive into the video. Join free UGC obby. The game is very simple. You earn points and then redeem for UGCs. You can earn points by either watching ads, which is the best method to earn points. Let me show you. When you see this pop-up, click on it, and you have to watch the ad. Watching one ad gives you 1,250 points. Or you earn points by playing the obby. Completing one stage gives you 100 points. You also earn points by away from keyboard grinding. Once you earn sufficient points, you can claim these cool free items. You get all these cool items for free. Next, join AO Adventure. Once you are here, go to the tennis court.
And I'm Courtney. We can't wait for this match to get underway.
Here, play one match. Want GTA 5 and other games for cheap prices? Then check out the link in description. I have handpicked them for you guys. If you get these badges, it means you got the free item. You get this cool free backpack. Join, defend the zombie invasion. The best part about this game is that you can earn points offline, just like grow a garden. They offer you these many free UGCs, which is very cool. And they even release new UGCs regularly. They also have many different zombie modes through which you can earn more points. You get these cool UGCs for free. Next, join away from keyboard for UGC. The game is very simple. As the name suggests, you just have to stay in the game. Join their group and like the game for free 10,000 points. Just like that, I got free 10,000 points. If you click on their UGC section, you can see that they have various free hairs for both boys and girls. Join their other groups for more points. Enter this code for 62,000 free points. Let's grind for the UGC. Want GTA 5 and other games for cheap prices? Then check out the link in description. I have handpicked them for you guys. You will get these hairs for free. Definitely worth grinding. Next, join 8th Annual Bloxy Awards. After joining, if you see this badge, it means you got the free item. You get this glowing head accessory.
Nice.
Rejoin the game and go here. Here, claim your free item. Then go to this shop and claim your free items. You get this awesome outfit with scary shoulder accessory. Next, join this game. After you join, go to the shop. Scroll a bit and click on the free item. Boom! You will get a free item. You will get this cool hand-gestured backpack. Join this game. Here, follow me to the escape rooms. Now go here and wait for the countdown to finish. Just wait for the tutorial to complete. Now follow me to the portal. Now here, just click this button. After you have completed all the steps, just wait for 5 minutes to get the badge. Let me speed up the process. If this badge pops up, it means you got the free item. You will get this cool blue backpack.
Nice.
Next, join Nerf Island. After you join, go to this portal. You have to speedrun this obby to get more tickets, and you have to complete this obby like 3 to 5 times to obtain 2,000 tickets. Watch me. After you get 2,000 tickets, buy the first 2 items. You will get these 2 cool items from that game. Next, join Roblox Inspire 2024 Hub. Here you have to find all the missing letters. So follow me. You will get the free item once you are done. You will get this cool jacket.